Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a smartwatch that promises a lot for a price that won't break the bank. We're talking about the Smartwatch, the 1.91-inch model designed for both men and women. This watch boasts features like Bluetooth calling, fitness tracking, and even a surprisingly vibrant display. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the 1.91-inch display grabs your attention. It's bright, crisp, and the touch response is smooth. Navigating through the menus is surprisingly intuitive. The watch itself feels lightweight and comfortable on the wrist, and the band seems durable. Setting up the watch with the Glory Fit app was straightforward. The app is where you can really personalize this watch, with over 100 downloadable watch faces. This is a huge plus for expressing your individual style. One of the standout features is the Bluetooth calling. The speaker is clear enough for calls, and the microphone picks up your voice well. Being able to answer calls directly from your wrist is incredibly convenient, especially when you're on the go. The notification system works seamlessly, keeping you updated on messages from various apps like WhatsApp, Twitter, and Facebook. No more digging for your phone in your pocket or bag. Now let's talk fitness tracking. This smartwatch offers over 110 sport modes, from running and cycling to yoga and even basketball. That's a comprehensive list that caters to a wide range of activities. The heart rate monitor seems accurate, consistently matching readings from other devices I've tested. The sleep tracking provides detailed insights into your sleep patterns, breaking down deep, light, and awake periods. This data can be valuable for understanding and improving your sleep quality. The IP68 waterproof rating is a welcome addition. You can wear this watch while washing your hands, working out in the rain, or even taking a shower. However, the manufacturer advises against using it in hot water or seawater, which is standard for most smartwatches in this price range. Beyond the core features, this smartwatch packs in some extra goodies. You get weather forecasts, music control, sedentary reminders, a stopwatch, an alarm clock, and even a female cycle tracker. It's a versatile device that aims to be your all-in-one wrist companion. Battery life is decent. With moderate use, including notifications and some fitness tracking, I managed to get around 5 days on a single charge. The 2-hour charging time is also reasonable. Of course, no product is perfect. While the Glory Fit app is functional, it could use some refinement in terms of design and user experience. Also, the watch faces, while plentiful, vary in quality. Some are stylish and informative, while others feel a bit cluttered. Overall, this smartwatch offers incredible value for its price. The bright display, Bluetooth calling, comprehensive fitness tracking, and IP68 waterproofing make it a compelling option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch. It's not perfect, but it punches well above its weight class. If you're looking for a feature-packed smartwatch without spending a fortune, this one is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments what you think of this smartwatch. And as always, thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.